Hey, let's get this review started. We're going to talk about French flower from Matière Première, and the perfumer of this one is Aurélie Richard. Yes, I practice my French. So without delaying, just let me give you a review of what I felt like when I was trying out this perfume in the store. I bought this from Sondora Beauty during the Black Friday Fest, and it cost me about 170 euros, but officially it's about 240 euros. So if you're in Dhaka, Bangladesh, I would suggest you to try Sondora Beauty, and it costs me 22,800 Taka in the local currency. So just gonna give you a review of what I was doing there. I was there to buy the DS and Durga's Burning Barbershop. I really like that perfume, but for some reason there was behind my mind there was an intention of buying something floral, and this was placed right beside the DS and Durga's perfume, the Burning Barbershop, which I was trying. So as soon as I saw it, I felt like, okay, this sounds good. It's already written French flower. Why not give it a try? So yeah, let's do the opening, and let me tell you, I was blown away. I was absolutely blown away with the flower. I felt like I was in the middle of the flower garden, and I cannot express how good I felt at that moment. So yeah, immediately picked it up. There's no looking back. Probably this is going to be one of my most favorite perfume, but opinions change. It's been 5 days that I tried that since I bought this, but didn't have the time to review, so let's go ahead with this one. So it's a nice white box. I'll check where the opening is, so maybe I'll just open it from here, keep it on this side. Okay, immediately, do I get the whole thing out? Yes. So this is how it is packed. It's quite nice, but it's just made of cardboard. It's nothing fancy. Just saving on the eco-friendly side. I think it's just being eco-friendly. I'm just gonna get this out. It's a nice big bottle, right? Pretty good looking. You'd like that, have it on your shelf along with my other perfumes, of course. So yes, Matière Première's French flower. It's an orange liquid, as you can see. Yeah, it's 5.5 O's. Oh, it's 100 ml, 3.4 O's. Okay, let's give it a go. This comes up pretty easy. It's not magnetic, but it's smooth enough. I can immediately smell it. I can tell you guys that I can immediately smell it. I still haven't sprayed. Let's go for it. Oh, this perfume is a beautiful flower bed scent. Beautiful. You can immediately feel the tuberose in this one. And what more can I say? Do you want to smell like this forever? Or like every day? Maybe it depends on your choice. But just getting an insane amount of flower smell, right? The tuberose is amazing. Traditionally, tuberose was even forbidden for women to be around because they would feel provoking thoughts. So the women's were not allowed in the Italian history to not be near tuberose garden, especially at night. So yeah, this perfume is very niche. It's very personal, in my opinion. I'm gonna spray it on my hand. Okay, let's give it a try on this one too. All right. This, I can tell you that this has a lot of complex flavor. It is spicy along with the flower bits. It has the ginger I can also see the fragrantica notes when I'm talking about this for me to be easier to explain what I really feel like. Do I smell the ginger? Yes, I do. There's a very strong tuberose and orange blossom. Fragrantica says there is a Chinese tea. Maybe that's the subtle spiciness that I'm getting. It's also a lot of, not a lot, it's a layer of pear. I wouldn't have described this as a pear if I didn't see the notes, but it's mostly tuberose. I really love this. It's getting zestier by the time, it's getting more spicier. Maybe the ginger, which they call here is the Nigerian ginger, it holds up, right? It keeps on holding up. The tuberose and the Nigerian ginger and the orange blossom really holds up. There is a bit of base ambroxan, but I'm not really sure if that is supposed to be ambroxan. There is a bit of element to it. Let me dive deeper into ambroxan, right? So to get to know more if this is supposed to be ambroxan. It's supposed to be dry and musky. I can understand the dry bit. Maybe a bit of muskiness, but I think it's lenient more towards that Chinese that they were saying rather than the ambroxan. So yeah, this is a very acquired taste, very niche perfume. The French Flower by Matière Première, and I'm traveling to Thailand tomorrow, so maybe I'll just take this with me and see if I get any compliments, or maybe get a feel of how it is in the hotter weather. Right now in here, in Dhaka, Bangladesh, it's about 17 to 18 degrees Celsius. So it's subtly chilly, not very chilly, but there is a bit of wind. And the air is also much denser here. But in Thailand, the air is not supposed to be as dense as in Dhaka, Bangladesh. But the weather is much more warmer, so it's around lowers of 24s and highs of 32s right now, even in December. So yeah, let me give it another shot. I think this will last a long time, because I think it holds a lot of sillage. It should hold a lot of sillage. I think if someone is wearing it in a closed room, they should be immediately get this scent and give you a good friendly vibe, you know. So this is not something that I would say is very masculine. It's more on the neutral and unisex side, I would say that. But it gives you a friendly and approachable vibe for anyone who's coming near you or talking to, or if you are going towards someone. This is very nice and friendly. It's unisex, but if someone is very close, I think they would have a more intimate understanding of this is okay. This leans towards a more masculine note. Maybe it gives a sillage of unisex, but as you get closer, it will give you the masculine note. Yeah, as it settles down, you really get I think this is now I see the ambroxan and the Chinese tea shining up along with the ginger note. Yeah, there's still a little bit of tuberose and orange blossom, but as it holds down, I think the Chinese tea and the ambroxan really comes forward. Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah. So, yes. Get this, a good brand, Matière Première. This is Eau de Parfum, French Flower by Aurélien Michaud. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.